Welcome back to goldfries. This is the ASRock B550M Steel Legend, a micro ATX board with the B550 chipset and a good set of VRMs. It retails at RM610, which is about 170-180 US. It costs a bit more than the B450 models, but hey, you're getting a board with a much better build quality and, more importantly, better VRMs for better power delivery. Now, the B550M Steel Legend comes with an 8+2 VRM using Vishay SiC 65450M power stages with UP1911R doublers, and I tested the board with a Ryzen 9 5900X that happens to be in the lab. Running Blender CPU test saw the VRM area recording a little over 50 degrees Celsius of heat, which is acceptable in my book. I'm pleased that besides the usual fan connectors for the CPU area and the rear fan, the B550M Steel Legend comes with 3 additional fan connectors towards the bottom, 2 over here and 1 over here. As for the SATA connections, the board is very limited with only 6, however that's actually sufficient for most people unless for some reason you like running more than 6 drives. For the rear I/O connectivity, I think I need not go through the list, but what's great to note is that ASRock included not only a PS2 port, but it also comes with a clear CMOS button, which is handy if you're into tweaking the settings. As for the BIOS, here's what it looks like. Nothing out of the ordinary for a Steel Legend motherboard as long as it works. Lastly, the RGB LED. This being the Steel Legend's strongest selling point ever since its introduction, and the B550M Steel Legend is no exception to this. The B550M Steel Legend even comes with 2 sets of RGB connectors, 1 set at the top and 1 set at the bottom. Alright, so we come to the end of this review. A micro ATX board with good price. It may not be the best, of course, going by the price and the amount of VRMs. You know that if you're running, say, a 5950X and intending to do massive overclocking, then this is not the board for you to look at. However, if you're running a micro ATX setup and want to have a system that supports the latest processors, this is good to go. I'm giving it a gold badge. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.